Hi everyone and welcome back. I'm Carol Fraser, a plant-based nutritionist and naturopathic guide, and today we're talking about one of the best natural antihistamines out there, and that's nettle. Now, if you suffer from seasonal allergies, this is one herb you'll want to start using right now to build resistance before pollen season kicks in. Before we begin, a quick reminder that I'm working on wholesale for all. It's where you can buy high quality herbs, holistic products at cost price. If that interests you, email me at hello@naturalworkshops.com and I'll give you all the details. Now let's dive into why nettle is a powerful herbal remedy for allergies, sinus congestion, and overall immune health. So why use nettle for allergy relief? Well, many people rely on over-the-counter antihistamines for hay fever, but did you know that nettle has been shown in studies to naturally block histamine production? The chemical that triggers sneezing, itchy eyes, and congestion can all be relieved with nettle. Now, the best time is to start taking nettle now to build up the antihistamine in your system for more effective results. So don't wait until allergy season, but certainly don't rule it out either, as it can still offer some support. Now, did you know that nettle contains compounds that act as natural antihistamines, reducing inflammation and allergic responses? Now, a study found that freeze-dried nettle significantly reduces hay fever symptoms, especially in participants compared to a placebo study. Now, nettle is also a natural decongestant, helping to clear mucus and sinus inflammation, and it's rich in vitamin C and iron, supporting immune function for energy levels. But here's how to use nettle for seasonal allergies. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves in 1 cup of hot water and steep for 10 to 15 minutes and drink. Now use that about 1 to 2 times daily before and during allergy season. Now if you add a half a teaspoon of nettle to smoothies or soups, you can also use it in that way. Now here are some cautions and who should not use nettle. If you have low blood pressure or take diuretics, nettle may lower your blood pressure further, so consult your doctor first. It may also interact with blood thinning medications, so use it with caution, especially if you're on anticoagulants. And for pregnant or breastfeeding women, you should avoid using it until you consult with your healthcare provider. So thank you for tuning in to this episode of Herbs 101, highlighting how nettle can relieve you of allergy issues. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more weekly updates on how herbs can support your well-being. So let's keep the conversation going and share your experience using nettle, and make sure that you comment below. And if you need to find out more about herbs for all at cost price, remember to email me at hello@naturalworkshops.com. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.